Treadmill, vacuum motor bay. This is a monthly task and should take about 20 minutes. Tools required are a Phillips head screwdriver and a vacuum with a tip for small spaces. Turn the main power switch at the front end of the unit to the off position. The main power switch may be located on the side or under the unit. Unplug the unit and let it sit 10 minutes before cleaning or performing maintenance. Loosen but do not remove the two front cover screws securing the motor cover using the Phillips screwdriver. If front cover screws are not accessible, move the treadmill to gain access. Remove the motor cover carefully, lifting vertically. Do not break the 4 plastic connectors. Do not damage any cables or connectors. Do not unplug any cables. Clean the fan of the controller and the motor bay area using a vacuum. Place the motor cover into position vertically by aligning the 2 tabs and 4 plastic connectors. 2 plastic connectors are mounted in the front cover and 2 in the motor cover. If the motor cover top does not fit properly, loosen the side screws on the front cover as needed. Tighten the 2 front cover screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure the screws are securing the motor cover tabs. Do not leave a gap between the motor cover and the front cover. Connect the treadmill to the power outlet. Turn the main power switch to the on position. Operate the unit through full incline to verify proper operation. Ensure the power cord is not being pinched under the front of the treadmill. Please report any issues or errors to your manager so that they may contact Cybex customer service at the information you see on the screen.